In this video, we're going to hear how the JBL Go 2 Plus sounds like and if it provides amazing sound for a budget mini portable speaker or you would just rather get the next best thing. So let's find out. The JBL Go 2 Plus is an upgrade to the popular Go series, a successor to the Go 2. The Go 2 Plus is bigger in physical dimension, including the speakers. It now has Bluetooth 4.2, which provides better security and connection and is more energy efficient. It also has IPX7 water rating, 5 hours runtime, 730 milliamperes of battery. It also weighs at 237 grams. It has a built-in microphone and basically offers a fuller sound. But you be the judge of that. We will also be comparing it to the Logitech Z120 wired desktop speakers. So let's begin.